All right, Joe, let me go and ask you something real quick. Have you noticed all those videos lately where hosts say that they're quitting Airbnb or that the platform is dead or that 2026 is going to be their worst year yet? Okay, pause that thought because while those videos get click, they don't actually tell the full story. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a very different picture based on real numbers, real hosting data, and what we're seeing across the entire market. But before we dive in there, I want to give you the biggest clue. Because if you've bought into this narrative that Airbnb is dying, you're probably looking at the wrong host. Because here's the surprising truth that nobody's actually saying. In 2025, a lot of hosts quit the platform, and guess what? That actually made it more profitable for the hosts who stayed and hung in there. And y'all, I am not talking theory. I'm talking what we have lived through personally. And this past summer, we've had our best months across our entire business. Back-to-back months where we cleared $100,000 for 4 months straight. And while many of those hosts were posting I'm quitting videos, we were looking at advanced bookings all the way into the first 6 months of 2026. And look, it wasn't just us. We saw the exact same thing with the hosts in our coaching program. So is Airbnb actually dead? I would say not even close. But what's important though, Airbnb has changed. And the hosts who have not adapted yet, well, those are the ones that are getting hit the hardest. So today, I am giving you a real evidence-based answer to this question. Is Airbnb still worth it in 2026, or is it still too risky? And here in a few moments, I'm going to give you the single biggest reason why most hosts are failing right now. And most importantly, I'm going to show you how you can avoid it. All right, well, stay with me because we're diving into it in this video today. And by the way, I'm Seth. I'm one of the co-founders of the Innkeepers Collective. We've been hosting Airbnb for about a decade. We host about a dozen properties across multiple cities, and we earn about $1 million on Airbnb annually. Most importantly, our core focus is helping new hosts launch and grow profitable Airbnbs. In fact, y'all, that is actually what we do best. And everything I'm sharing in this video comes directly from what's working right now, from real hosts in real markets across the country. All right, well, let's get started. Let's talk about why those I'm quitting videos exist. Because the reasons are real. They're just not universal. And some hosts quit because they're relying on 2029 strategies. They may have copied the aesthetics from TikTok videos instead of building real and lasting systems. These are the kind of hosts that may have set it up once and have stopped evolving. And you may know them. They're the ones that bought into this idea that Airbnb is passive income. And here's the kicker. A lot of the advice out there right now is outdated. The setup advice, pricing advice, the guest experience advice, all of that is outdated. And that is because earlier this summer, Airbnb made huge shifts in how it ranks listings, how it rewards hosts, and how it penalizes hosts. And those hosts who haven't actually updated their strategy, they are the ones that are being left behind. And so why are some hosts winning? And here's the part that nobody's actually talking about. When some of the weaker hosts leave the market, smart hosts make more money. And here's why. Why? Less competition. It's really basic economics. When supply drops and demand stays the same, rates actually go up. And this is exactly what we saw in 2025. Fewer listings in the same market. More bookings for listings that remained. Higher nightly rates, stronger off-season performance, bookings made earlier, months in advance. And that is actually why our summer numbers crushed our entire previous record. And that is why October and November remained really strong. And that is why we're seeing bookings early into mid 2026 already. So the real question isn't, is Airbnb dead? It is instead, however, are you playing the 2026 version of this game? And the truth is, most hosts aren't. So let's break down the 3 biggest signals that Airbnb is absolutely still worth it and what you should do instead of quitting. And the first signal is in 2026, Airbnb is shifting from more listings to better listings. The new Airbnb algorithm now rewards thoughtful design, clarity in the photos, simple, very simple check-in, y'all, strong guest experience, and predictable stays. And that isn't guesswork. Airbnb said that that directly in their updates. And here's an example to help you understand this a little better. Think about TSA at the airport. Every year, the rules get more precise. If you keep following the rules from 5 years ago, you are probably going to end up getting flagged. You may even get pulled aside. And in essence, you're going to get slowed down. Airbnb works in that exact same way. So here is one step that you can take today. And if you haven't updated your setup since you launched your Airbnb, you are probably losing money without realizing it. So I'm challenging you today to do one setup refresh. Refresh the first 5 photos of your listing. And I got to tell you, that one thing alone will give you 10 to 20% bump in your bookings. So let's go and move on now to that second signal. And that is reviews matters more than ever, but guess what? It is not in the way that you think. And this is the wild part. Airbnb is now using the review patterns as a ranking signal. And here's what this means. Consistency matters, your recency matters, the emotional tone matters, and also how fast, how quickly you respond to your guests, that also matters. And here's the good part of it. When you understand what actually drives reviews, you can influence them without manipulating anything. And here's one step that you can take today to address this issue. And if you're not yet doing this, I want you to send a mid-stay message asking your guests if they need anything. And this kind of tiny 20-second touch can actually increase your 5-star reviews by upwards of 30%. And that is actually according to Airbnb's own research. All right, let's keep going. Let's move on to that third signal. And what I need you to know about this is you don't need 20 listings in order to win on Airbnb. You need one good one with the following things: strong pricing, modern setup, great first impression, and a system that your competitors don't yet have. And the most successful hosts that we work with in our coaching program, they aren't the biggest. They're actually just the scrappiest. They're just the smartest hosts. And this year, strategy beats scale. And by the way, if you want to follow along as we go through these 2026 shifts, I've put together a 2026 free Airbnb setup checklist that matches everything that I'm talking about here today. You can grab it using the link down below and dive into it immediately after you finish watching this video. It will actually help you implement these principles without guessing. So go ahead and grab it down below. All right, let's keep going. So is Airbnb still worth it? Well, here's the honest truth. Airbnb's absolutely still worth it for those hosts who are willing to evolve with the platform. It's not worth it for hosts who only rely on low prices, hosts who never improve their photos, or hosts who treat Airbnb like it's passive income. And it's certainly not worth it for hosts who tend to react rather than to prepare. But for those hosts who adapt, 2026 is shaping up to be one of the strongest years we've ever seen on Airbnb. And this is already being reflected in our revenue. And our clients are also seeing the same thing. Interestingly, the data across multiple cities shows a similar pattern as well. And if you're a host who want to stay ahead of all these changes, this is the channel that I've built exactly just for you. So I want to invite you to hit the like button to help other hosts also find this content on YouTube. And go ahead and tap subscribe, y'all, while you're at it so you don't get left behind as these 2026 updates continue to roll out. Because we're building out this channel, we're building out this community, and I want you to be a part of it. Go and hit subscribe. And stay with me here because there's one more piece to this story. Everything I've talked about so far today is only half of the equation because Airbnb's 2025 new rules have completely reshaped how hosts rank on the platform, how you earn, and also how you get paid on Airbnb. And if you don't understand these rules, you're going to work twice as hard to earn half as much. So before you make any decisions about quitting or expanding or launching, watch this next video right here on Airbnb 2025 new rules, what every host needs to know. It is the essential companion to this video. It breaks down how the new rules have changed, what Airbnb is prioritizing right now, and really how to position your listing so 2026 becomes your strongest year yet. And you cannot afford to miss this information because when you pair what you've learned in this video with that one, you're going to be ahead of 90% of the other hosts in your market. Click right here to watch this next video.